So hello everyone, welcome to another interesting video. So I'm doing this in the middle of the day when it's scorching hot, but decided to do this a little bit early because some reasons I told you in my previous video. The first reason is that my NOF exam is today and I have been studying. We can take the exam whenever we want, so I planned on doing it at the night time when there is hopefully like less distractions, and at night time only I do videos, so that will be kind of a distraction for me because my mind will be somewhere else because I need to attend this exam and I also need to even upload the video, so I decided on doing this early today. And by the way, that's a good news. There's an increase in one subscriber, so thank you everyone, the new ones and the current ones. Welcome to the channel. Okay, now why am I in my parking lot, you may ask. I'm gonna park the cycle to one side, I'm gonna explain. Okay, the reason I'm in my parking lot is because in summer here in India, it may not seem like much compared to other countries, but it's a big deal for us here because it's get really hot and it's like basically cannot go out during the day only. Like either you go out during before the sun heat is at the maximum or you go out at night. So I decided on coming to the parking lot since it's a lot cooler in here than outside, and also it's not a hot day today, like only 32 degrees Celsius. But I decided on doing it here because even though the heat is not the problem, the humidity is definitely a problem. Well, if it's humid, it feels very like it's like you're sweating. It's all of those things you it's combined. So by the way, this is the fifth day of the challenge where I turned off my phone. It is great, obviously, because today was great day. I woke up at 6 a.m., took my bicycle out for a spin because only it was at that time at the day where the sun's rays would not be burning me. And so that's when I took it out. I told my family I'm going out for 1.5 hours, but it took longer than expected. So instead of 1.5 hours, it took 2 hours. I went cycling, not any point where I kept as the point where I should go. I started cycling and then I planned of going to my new house, just checking everything. We've been doing some planning things to move, so we're doing kind of renovation kind of a thing. So I decided to go and check it out. That was going great, so I decided to rest there for 5 minutes. So after that, by the way, before reaching that, I was cycling here near my house for 1 hour, and as soon as I go there, it was another 15 minutes. So 1 hour 15 minutes is gone there, and 5 minutes for resting, which takes 1 hour 20 minutes, and to check all the renovation and that took 10 minutes to check thoroughly and everything is proper or not, so that is 1.5 over there. The rest 30 minutes was I only need 10 minutes to go from here to my new house. Well, 10 minutes there and it's 1 hour 40 minutes, so rest 20 minutes was a leisure. I came home at 8:15 a.m. That time it was still not hot, but the sun's heat was raising up, so I decided to give some more speed to my bicycle. Came home, took bath, and then I started studying for my NOF exam. Well, that is today because I planned it on doing it today, and there were two dates given. The first one was 11th March, and that was when my exam started. That was when the first exam started, and the second date was 25th March, which is today, the fifth day of the challenge. I decided on doing it today since there would be no distractions or anything. Okay. Now I've kept the phone on top of my bicycle seat and I'm going to explain. Well, my exams, we can take the exams at any time of the day. It comes from 8 a.m. till 9 p.m. today. Here, okay, the video is still going. It comes from 8 to 9 p.m. At any time of the day we can take it. So I decided on taking it during the night because hopefully, as can see it will be a less hard, because that is one of those conditions which really helps me improve my concentration. Like if there are distractions like heat or cold or anything, it takes my mind off of things. And the second one is uploading the video. I've decided on doing it now in the middle of the day rather than during the night, because at night obviously I'll be taking my exam and hopefully I don't get distracted, so I decided on doing it now only. Well, the fifth day I have been learning quite a few things. Although I know how to play football and basketball, I've been playing it. It's going great, but some things never change, because it, even though I'm still 13 years old and there are still 5 years left for me to turn into an adult and to get a driving license, I decided on starting it early. But by the way, I'm telling, do not drive illegally, and even I have not done that. The only thing I've learned is to put the gear in the car. So my car comes with a 5-speed manual transmission, which I love, because automatic transmissions are not for me, because when you go uphill or something, it won't work that good. It's my personal feeling that automatic transmissions won't work just as much as manual do. So I've been learning both the 5-speed manual and the 6-speed manual transmissions. So for the 6-speed manual transmission, I did something really creative. I have one bottle and I've put the layout of the gearbox. So it is on the top R135 and on the down 246. Well, for the 5-speed manual transmission, obviously my car is there, so I can remove the cover anytime, go sit in it and engage the clutch and put it to a 5-speed manual transmission. But for the 6-speed manual, I don't have a car which has 6-speed manual transmission. But so that's why I decided on putting it on a bottle and I've been learning it. So that has been working great. So it is the 5th day and I've got an increase in 1 subscriber. So thank you so much, new ones and current ones. So yeah, that's it for today, and everyone will wish me the best of luck for my NOF exam, and I hope I pass with flying colors. And if I win like last time, I'm going to show you the medal certificate, and there's even a huge prize included. So I'm going to show you everything. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, and have a nice day as always.